What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a small section of your room into your YouTube recording space on a budget. A few tips and tricks on lighting and camera setup will also be included in this video. Be sure to watch so you don't miss out. I received this product from my aunt as a gift. Woohoo! So I decided to share it with you guys because it's very affordable. Okay, this is not sponsored. This product came in from UV Size on Amazon, and it's an 8-inch selfie light. Already opened it, so this is what it looks like. You get your 8-inch selfie light, and it comes with 3 tones, so 3 different light settings, which is very effective. It also comes with an automatic clicker. This product came with 2 mini tripod stands. One I'm currently using for my phone, and the other I'm going to use when I set up this ring light. After I have it all set up, I'll show you guys the effects. $50. That's what this costs, guys. Remember, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share this product with you guys because it's awesome. I've currently chosen this side of the room for my makeup. So I'm currently going to be removing all the items that I have here, and let's see how it goes. I'm only going to remove the big half of the table. I'm starting to sweat, guys. I'm gonna have to change into something cozier. Now that I have the section that I need all cleared out and cleaned up, it's time to let the magic happen. No softbox? No problem. Today I'll be showing you a little trick just to help to diffuse your natural light when you're recording. Here we go, friends. With me, I have a bed liner. This liner goes at the base of your bed. The fabric, however, is a good source to help you to diffuse light. It will work just perfect. My next step is to cut out the shape that I need for my window. Now that I have have my fabric cut out, I'll just be using 4 thumbtacks on each corner just to keep it secure. Also, if you have clip lamps, the same can be done. All you need is a piece of that same fabric, put it over, and an elastic band. Make sure it's fit nicely around the rim. And there you have it. You can tuck that nicely, and voila, I'll show you the effects in the dark. Just ensure that you're monitoring these lights whenever they're on, and you should be good to go. This is a decorative wall shelf that I've had for some time now, but now I finally have use for it. I wonder what I'm gonna use it for. Let's see. That I have everything set up exactly how I want it, I'm gonna go in and dress things up a bit. What you see in this video are things that I found around my house. I just improvised to make them work for me. You guys will see me dress my chair, and I'll just put a small mat on the floor for now. This is a scarf. I'm just gonna use it to wrap the back of my chair. This is a scarf that I cut open, guys. It's very cozy, and I'm gonna use it for my chair cover. And now my mat. With my little table, just in case I need coffee or tea. Remember, the sky's the limit. Here's a nice way for you to record if you're on a budget and you can't afford a tripod right away. A stack of books. Who'd have thought? So the first you want to do you get your stack of books. I have two different set of stacks. I have my base right here. That's where my phone will be resting. And I have my top stack. And that's where the back of my phone's going to be resting. Before I start recording, guys, I take my pen and I draw a line at the back of my phone. You want to set your phone so you have the front part of your camera out. So if you need to check to see if your video quality is good, your camera went on the screen just to make sure you're positioned right. Cool trick, right? And after that, if you have important notes that you need to cover, you can write it on a card and tuck your card right there. Notes, phone, books. It's that easy, guys. Give it a try and let me know. Friends, if you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe so you can get more videos like this in the future. If you do decide to give these DIY softbox a try, guys, please ensure to use low watt bulbs. And you should be good. And they work perfect, as you can see. Remember, if you have questions or comments, you can leave them in the box below. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you. Toodaloo.